Hello lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are in the wholesale market for accessories, building accessories, showering, toilet, everything about building. So if you want to decorate your house, just contact us. So come along with us as we explore anything like this. Jay and Chinimenda carpet. Oh, we have picture frames. Anything of decoration. Oh, we have tiles. We have tiles. Yeah, you can see this one. If you want to decorate your house, so you can see this. Yeah. Okay. So have you seen the design? Looking very beautiful. We have this one.
Fingerprint lock.
Oh, fingerprint lock. Oh.
Password.
Wow. Cool.
Use password.
Yeah.
Use card. Also use card.
Yeah. Wow.
Card also open.
Yeah.
Can use key. Okay.
Wow.
Oh, can use.
Wow. So
Four
you can
ways to
see.
open.
So we have different kinds of locks. So how do they install? Wow. Which one again? This one. So you can see this one. Lights. Different kinds of lights. Just look at this, guys. If you need anything like this, just look at how beautiful it is.
Money save also. Many people like.
Oh, this one is what?
For money save.
Oh, like for saving money. Wow. So this, it has key. You can see this one. Wow. This is fridge.
Kitchen.
Oh, kitchen fridge. Oh, this is cabinet. Oh, so this is kitchen cabinet. I was thinking it's a fridge. Yeah, guys, I'm at Akai. Oh. Oh, so guys, you can see how it is. Kitchen cabinet. Wow, and cool.
Well, good. Same. Complete.
Oh, so you can see this like in the kitchen. So they can design all these for you. So you can see that. So all these. So if you want any picture of that, they do that. Look at the lights. These kind of lights. Just look at this one. If you need any of them, just contact us. You can see how fresh they look like. If you want to design your room, it looks cool, right? So look at this one. Showering tub. We have toilets here. If you need golden toilets, golden toilet they have. Look at this toilet. If you need this white one, they have. Look at this design as well. Look at this one. If you need anything from your showering, just look at this one. Golden styles. They have that. So you can see this cabinet as well. Just look at this one. Whoa. So key. Oh. So you open like this for your cabinet. So you can see that. you use key to close. So this design, all this, they have that. So if you need anything like this, you can contact us. You can see the shop.
You don't believe. I'm still not talking, sure. I just want to try for you. What is it? I'm not talking for you. That's why I said, after we order the will make finish.
So look at this. So you can see this side. So you can see the windows. This. So you can see this cabinet. So you can see all these. So you can see this cabinet. You can see all this cabinet. So we have different foreign trade rules, window, kitchen cabinets, switches, any design of switch you need, any type, you can get that from us. We have this cabinet. Just look at this. Just look at this cabinet. We have heaters, like heater for your kitchen, your washroom. We have heater. If you need doors, any kind of doors, this need password.
六七没听到啊，
So
太好了，还是普通的？好的1300，
they also have
普通的
tiles.
700块650吧。4期啊，差不多吧。
So you can see we have tiles as well, different designs. You can see different lots. All kinds of locks. Look at these locks. We have tiles as well.
First time, me, when the customer just come in, just that day the customer go to one dinner. Just come in, 2 hours, then off, all the time dinner. No have problem. We doing this is 12 years.
So you can see, so.
My kids look so because it's small, so I have to calculate everything. Not my problem. Like about the toilet, I have to make small things, small. This one is missing, everything is
Different tiles.
Make your order. After people may go.
So you can see this log. So you can see. So you can see this. So you can see these ones.
1884 1166. One one. One. So you give me warehouse address, give me WhatsApp. After I deliver, I need the
So anything you need about showering,
you show me warehouse, right? I just scan you. And then you show me where to go. I need your WhatsApp.
so you can see this.
Then give me package test. No. Go. And this. Fine. Send me package. Okay, this is your agent, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, on.
So guys, as you have seen, this is the largest factory for manufacturing these kind of products. If you need any of them, just contact us. We are your #1 registered trading company based in China. If you need any of these kind of building materials, guys, just contact us directly from the manufacturing factory to your country. We can arrange delivery from China to your country. Any country you are in this world, decoration, this is the right place to order them. And if you need any of them, just contact me. My WhatsApp number is there. Just let me know which of them you need, and we will arrange delivery from China to your country. The days of getting a visa traveling to China is over. All you need is to contact Daks Import and Export Trading. We will get you the factory price. You will pay us some small commission, and you get the thing at your doorstep. There's no stress of traveling to China to get any of these products. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos, okay? Bye bye.